Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.